Welcome back. I learned a couple things making that cutting board, and so I'm gonna mill it slightly thinner. We're going for 1.5 inches, and I'm gonna go right back to milling on that maple. I also sharpened my blade, re-gassed and oiled it, turned the oiler up, so I'm all ready to go. Come on with me. I got it up on the table. I'm gonna take and put that board that I was using to balance on here. I'm gonna take and screw it fast so it'll stay flat. I'm trying to make a couple more cuts, turn the camera around. That way I don't have to keep walking around the end of the saw horses. So we'll give her one more shot and make a couple more of these. And my chips are getting a little bit smaller, so means my blade isn't quite as sharp. I don't know how many more I'm going to try to make here, but look at that grain. Boy, won't that finish nice. I think that's it, guys, because I'm pretty sure if I go again, I'll hit my nail heads here, or my screw heads. So I think that's it. Thanks for following along. And come back to see what projects I make out of this.